Hello friends, welcome to your channel Stock Dr. RR. As you all know, here we do technical analysis on index and some of its major stocks. So today we are going to do tech analysis on Dow Jones, Nasdaq, S&P 500, gold and silver for next week. So let's go ahead and see what the charts are saying to us. So here first we talk about Dow Jones. So if you see the daily chart time frame on the Dow Jones, it had a very good trend line support, and 3 days back on Wednesday it got broke. So if you see here, Dow Jones is facing resistance here, and at this point of time it has broke major support, right? Long term support. Okay, so if you see here, there was a heavy selling happen on Friday. So at this point of time, I am thinking that Dow Jones can give a small pullback, because the main reason is the RSI is in oversold, extreme oversold zone, right? So if we see on the hourly time frame, okay, so here I can see that Dow Jones can take a good support between 3,000, sorry, 33,250, and just a moment. The 33,250 is the first support, and 33,000 is the second support. Okay, now what I feel that Dow Jones can give a minor pullback. Okay, and that minor pullback will be for uh, the minor pullback will be for 33,550 and 33,750, right? Okay, so remember the supports will be 33,250 and 33,000. These two levels, I feel that these are support levels, and Dow Jones can give a bounce back for 33,550 and 33,750. If it stays above 33,750, then it can go back toward 34,150. Okay, so I'm not sure about this 34,150, but I think it should give a bounce back till 33,550 and 33,750, right? And the supports are 33,250 and 33,000. If it starts going below 33,000, then it can open the door for 32,500. All right, so let's go ahead and see what Nasdaq is saying about. Okay, so if you go to Nasdaq, here on the day time frame, I clearly mentioned few days back, right, on the Discord, that it's time to be cautious on Nasdaq. It might form a triple top. Okay, I mentioned on 15th of June, and if you see here, okay, let me zoom it here. If you see here, see, Nasdaq formed a triple top here, right? And now it is trying to see. We alerted here. Next day it went down, right? And on Thursday it gave a pullback, but on Friday again it went down. So I still feel that 14,200 is a still a hurdle for Nasdaq, and I will not initiate any longs, okay, on index or index related stocks, right? Means technology stocks and other stocks, unless and until it cross 14,200, right? Now on the downside, I feel that, okay, on the downside I feel that Nasdaq can go towards, okay, so on the downside I can feel that Nasdaq can crack towards 13,900, right? And if it starts trading below 13,900, then it can go back to 13,700 and then 13,450. Okay, so let us recap. If Nasdaq goes above 14,200, then we can think about fresh buying, right? But if it goes above 14,200, then and only then we are thinking about buying. Otherwise, we should be in the selling zone. Okay, for 13,900, 13,700, and 13,450. And if it starts trading about 14,200, then we will keep the target open. All right. So let's go ahead and see uh, what US 500, S&P 500 is saying. So if you see the chart here, S&P 500 is taking a breathe on a long-term support here, right? So if you see here, I am also expecting a technical bounce on S&P 500, okay? And that bounce can be towards, okay, currently it is at 4154, right? So this is at support. I'm expecting a bounce toward 4170, okay, here 4184, okay, and if it stays and sustains above 4184, then the next target would be 4200. Okay, so for this I'm expecting a technical bounce, right, because it is already oversold. And let us see where are the support lies. So okay. So the supports are, the first support is at 4150 and second support is at 4120. Let's go ahead and see what gold and silver is saying. So if you remember, if you have seen my previous videos, I clearly mentioned that I was bullish on gold, right? Uh, I was bullish on gold when it was at 1765, then it went to 1800, then from there 1850, and finally it went up till 1910. Here we booked profit, and now there was a sharp fall, right? Here also I feel that it is right now kind of oversold category and it can give a bounce back. Okay. Now the bounce back can be, just a moment. Okay. Now the bounce back can be towards, just a moment. Bounce back can be towards these levels, right? From here it can give a bounce back till 1780 and 1800. Okay, this is a short term view. I'm talking about gold. Now support levels, we can talk about gold. Those are, currently it is at support itself, but the second support for the gold is coming toward 1752. All right. So actually, at this point of time, 1766 and 1752 is a good support level for gold, and I'm expecting a bounce from there. Right. So this is for the gold, and the next thing is silver. I have the same view for the silver. If you see here, okay, these are the two trend line support line for the silver, and currently it is taking horizontal support as well as trend line support. and the RSI is also oversold. I am expecting an immediate bounce toward 2650. If it stays and sustain above that, then it can go towards 27 and 27.60. It will be having the support. We will be considering support at 25.70. Alright, this will be the first support, and the second support would be around at here 24.60. So these are the levels for the indexes for the next week, and I hope this view or this analysis will help you to take a better decision with due diligence from your side, and it will help you with your trading decisions. All right. I guess if this video help you all, right, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Happy trading for next week. Thank you.